Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the treatment of goodwill related to the case third. Case third is when new partner is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay, the new partner is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay. As already I told you, I explained you that the new partner, whosoever is admitted within the firm, bring two things. First is capital and the second thing is premium for goodwill. Right. Here what is happening, the new partner is bringing the capital amount but he is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. So in such a case, what basic journal entry is passed is as follows. Journal entry is new partner current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. Means whatever amount of goodwill was to be brought by the new partner, that is charged from the new partner's current account, and hence new partner current account is debited by the share of goodwill which was supposed to be brought in by the new partner as his share of goodwill. Okay, this is the journal entry which is to be used in order to solve the questions related to this case. Okay. Now, on the basis of one numerical from D.K. Goyal, I am explaining you the same case. The question is, just see the question. Question number 38. A and B are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admit C into partnership for 1/5 share in the profit. Okay, the two things are mentioned here, old profit sharing ratio and the new partner share, and nothing information, no other information related to sacrificing ratio is mentioned in the question. So we will assume the old ratio as a sacrificing ratio. 3:2 is the sacrificing ratio, and this is the ratio in which the premium for goodwill amount brought in by or not brought in by the new partner is to be distributed. Okay, further reading out the question. C pays in cash rupees 40,000 as the capital amount. Okay, goodwill of the firm is valued at 25,000, but C is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay, right. Here one thing is brought in cash and that is capital. C brought capital within the firm in cash. Okay, the journal entry related to the same transaction will be bank account or cash account debit to C's capital account 40,000 rupees. Narration you can see capital brought in by the new partner C. Okay, now you can see in the question, I read out the question, you can see from the book. The total firm goodwill is 25,000 and the new partner is supposed to bring his the goodwill in accordance with his share within the firm. The share of C within the firm is 1/5. Total firm goodwill is 25,000. So it's 1/5 is the amount of goodwill which is to be brought in by the new partner. 25,000 to 1/5, that is 5,000 rupees, is the amount of goodwill known as premium for goodwill to be brought in by the new partner, but he haven't brought it, right? So in such a case, what journal entry I told you to be passed is new partner current account debit. New partner here is C. C's current account will be debited, and the sacrificing partner, here the sacrificing partners are both the old partners A and B. Their capital account will be created, and in which ratio it will be created? 3:2. Just calculate 5,000 multiplied by 3/5, you will get 3,000 rupees, and 5,000 multiplied by 2/5, you will get 2,000 rupees. So this is the solution of the case number 3, okay, related to the chapter admission of a partner, where the treatment of goodwill was to be done. Okay, just take the screenshot of the same solution and you can just fill it up in your notebook. share the solution in your notebook. Okay, right? And share your homework daily. A report of the same, that is your daily submission of the homework, is to be recorded in the school records and further to be remitted to the CBSE. Okay, right? On the basis of the your homework completion, the Zoom class attendance, much portion of the marks will be allotted in the board exam. So just be punctual in the Zoom class as well as in the online class sessions. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.